Meaning of fatherless.
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 Fatherless. Fatherless refers to the condition of not having a father present in one's life, either due to abandonment, death, or other circumstances. It often leads to feelings of loss, insecurity, and emotional distress, particularly for children who grow up without a father figure as a role model. Research suggests that fatherlessness can contribute to negative outcomes such as poorer academic performance, behavioral problems, and impaired social functioning. However, it is important to note that many individuals who have grown up without a father have still managed to thrive and lead successful lives through resilience and support from other sources.